Hi, it's me again with Corel Roll Tips and Tricks, and one of my viewers, or hopefully a subscriber, sent me a very much good information. We've been trying, originally he wanted hexagon shapes, but then we got off and we started doing, just random shapes. And this viewer is pretty cool. Draw a rectangle about the size of your thing you want to put it into and make it black. I'm going to go ahead and take away the outline. I don't really think that matters. Go up to Effects, Creative, and go down to Stained Glass. And you can change sizes. You can change the solder width. It's going to take just a second. I've got the solder on white. But watch this in just a second. And then you could make the solder width thicker, which would be your joints. If you're gonna, if we're gonna do this and cut this thing out, let's just see what it looks like. I've only done this once, so I didn't realize it took this long, but it doesn't really matter. It would take you a lot longer to draw it. So now our width between is thicker. Now, for some reason, it's not a vector, it's a little fuzzy. So to make it work, and you can't do anything with it, I need to go to bitmap, convert to bitmap, we're going to convert it to black and white because it's basically black and white. And it's going to do that. Maybe earlier when I was doing this, I didn't make it quite so big. And it's doing it, it's converted to a bitmap. And then we need to trace the bitmap. I could have already had some of this done, but I didn't realize it was going to take, and it's done. And then go to Outline Trace, Clip Art, and trace it. And it's 14.5% done, 40% done. This is cool. Come on. And yours might not take this long on a faster computer. Press OK. And then there is your vector artwork. And you can take it and go left click, right click. And there you have random shapes. And then all we have to do to put it in here is just put it wherever you want, select it all, go up to intersect, and look at that. That's pretty cool. Now, originally he wanted hexagons, but then he got it off and wanted random. Well, it would take you a long time to make it more random than that. That is very useful. Let's see what it looks like now if we filled it in with black where the gaps would be. That's pretty random. So I thank that viewer very, very much and hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.